I started this business immediately when I came out of college because I wanted to create job opportunity and to solve some problem that was around me. There was a problem of cooking fuel, and there's a time that the government burning of charcoal and even selling of firewood just for environmental purposes, and therefore there was need to come up with an alternative way of cooking. So that's when we thought about coming up with a product that was made out of waste. These are waste that were just left to decay or were just burned to destroy. They were just destroyed through burning. So we thought about how could we then turn this waste into a product that could be used as an alternative cooking fuel to firewood and charcoal. Yes, and therefore that's when we came up with briquetting, making, and the type of stove that could be used to burn that briquette. This we started in 2015. Yeah, and it's a long journey that we've been working since then up to today. Our major market for cook stoves and briquettes are schools, hotels, homes, and another business person who is running any business out there. Now, because we're in Kisumu City, and Kisumu City is close to a hydro irrigation scheme, so mostly we depend on rice husks that are produced in those schemes, and again we depend on the sodas that are produced by the furniture producers in the city. We're also targeting the sugarcane millers, which are producing a lot of waste through sugarcane bagasse. Mostly when we bring in the waste, we first dry it because the machine accepts a certain amount of moisture content. So we dry it to achieve that moisture content, and then we subject it to a machine, which is then subject the raw material into high pressure, which is binding the waste into a firewood-like product, which is then called the briquette. We call it non-carbonized briquette because there's some briquettes that are carbonized. Carbonized mean they're turned to carbon. So in our method of turning waste into briquettes, it's a non-carbonized. It means it's a raw material as it is. And so after that, we have our special cooking stoves that is using the non-carbonized briquette. That is then we sell to our customers, and then they use it for cooking. We've realized that our customers save almost 50% of what they used to use before. Maybe when using charcoal or firewood. It's a clean fire, it's a clean fuel because it produces no smoke during cooking. This kind of project is we're involving a lot of youth in it and women because the type of work that is involving here needs these young people, and therefore we're creating a number of jobs for them. We have up to close to 7 people right now, but there's still room to bring in more youth to work in this program. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges because this is a new idea, it's a new product, and people do not know about it. So one thing that we need to do is to sensitize people about the stove. Sometimes it forces us to give it for free just to market ourselves so that they get to know it. Another thing is when we start small, nobody be willing to give you loan for being such businesses. So we struggle most of the times ourselves to get these things done. Yes, because we do most of the time we do marketing ourselves. Most of the times, maybe when we get customer feedback, we try to work on those challenges ourselves. All this involves financial input, which sometimes is a challenge to us because at the level we are still very small, and there are a lot of people who would want to use this kind of products. I heard about Shift program through advertisement. Yes, and I got to apply, and then I was chosen as one of the beneficiaries of the Shift program. we wouldn't be where we are today without KCSC, because they kind of propelled us to a certain level. Yeah, so we've got opportunity to acquire our own machines through the support of KCSC, and even built more cooking stoves to just kind of meet the demand that is out there through the support of KCSC. We've got a lot of technical support from KCSC as well, which has really upscaled our thinking and the way we do things. So I think it's a plus to KCSC and the support that they're giving the entrepreneurs to build themselves to the next level. Our vision is big, because one thing, we want to be the major briquette producers in Kisumu from waste, and again, we want to drastically reduce the use of firewood and charcoal in our markets, and if possible, we upscale this to other counties and across the country, because cooking is everywhere and it's every day. So unless we come up with an idea that is going to solve their problems, then we may not have done anything